Alright guys, we're live for break number 99. This is 2014 Panini Certified Football. Alright, there's the video. Everybody know I'm live now. Here's what I got for you for teams. And we'll give it another minute so people can find us. Who do we have in this break here? Cameron, Ryan, Greg, Chad, Jacob, John, Garrett. Not many people. But it's 5:14. I'm supposed to be out the door really quick. So I gotta get breaking. Chad, you're the first one I've seen from the break. Sorry, Paul. I'll be back at 9 p.m. and after for more breaks. I gotta go to my son's baseball practice. There's the box. It's for trash. And 2014 certified. Good luck, guys. Hopefully we can pull out some pretty stuff. It looks fat in there. Might be our first hit. Anquan and 49ers. Blake Bortles rookie retro card. Thought that might be numbered. We got our first hit. It's going to be for the Jets. Taj Boyd rookie patch auto card. Very nice looking card going to Garrett Arms. This one is numbered to 99. Freshman Fabrics. Good looking card. See if it wants to fit in 130. Yep. The first hit was from the first pack. We also got DeMarcus Lawrence, rookie Cowboys, numbered to 149. And Demarius Thomas for the Broncos. And Brian Hoyer for the Browns. We found another hit. Le'Veon Bell, Steelers. Darren McFadden, Raiders. And the second hit for the Colts. Nice big Dante Moncrief patch, New Generations, numbered to 299 for the Colts. Rookie patch card going to Cameron Williamson. Alright, Bo Jackson Immortals. This one's numbered to 25. Nice little number for the Raiders, going to Ryan Tuttle. Cool Bo Jackson card. Jay Cutler for the Bears. And Steve Johnson, 49ers. Bills uniform, but 49ers on the card. There, it focused. Jarris Bird for the Saints. Another Bills jersey, but Saints card. No Sean Marino, Dolphins. I got a blue Marshawn Lynch, Seahawks, number 2, 100. Joe Flacco for the Ravens. Matt Ryan, Falcons. Dolphins. Hakeem Nicks, Colts. And we got a blue Steven Jackson for the Falcons. That one's number 2, 100. Patrick Peterson, Cardinals. And Andre Ellington, also Cardinals. Reggie Bush, Lions. DeMarco Murray, Cowboys. Jimmy Ward, rookie, 49ers, number 2, 100. Carson Palmer, Cardinals. And Ryan Matthews, Chargers. Alright, guys, I'm about due to get out of this house, go to baseball practice. 9 p.m. sharp, I'll be posting break number 100. It's going to be a fun one. Ryan Matthews, Chargers. LaShawn McCoy, Eagles. Darrelle Revis, blue, Patriots, number 100. Maurice Jones-Drew, Raiders. Eli Manning, Giants. Two more hits and 4 more packs. Michael Crabtree, 49ers. Antonio Brown, Steelers. Coney Ealy, rookie for the Panthers. This one's number 2, 25. Gold rookie. Going the Panthers out to Garrett Arms. Giovanni Bernard, Bengals. Luke Kuechly, Panthers. Garrett, I'll rewind through them. I got 3 more packs. We've hit twice. Colts and Jets. Matt Schaub, Raiders. Jimmy Graham, Saints. Immortals, Bo Jackson, number 2, 100 for the Raiders. Going to Ryan Tuttle. That's 2 nice Bo Jackson cards. EJ Manuel, Bills. Steven Jackson, Falcons. I should have a hit in both of these packs now. Pretty sure this was a 4-hit box. Aaron Rodgers, Packers. Shaq Evans, rookie, number 2, 100 for the Jets. Larry Fitzgerald, Cardinals. Ace Saunders, Jaguars. Trent Richardson, Colts. 4 hits. Supposed to be, but I'm down to 1 pack. Is there any way they shove 2 hits in 1 pack? I'm not feeling it. We got another filler card too. Zach Stacy Rams. Marshawn Lynch Seahawks. Kyle Van Noy, numbered to 149 rookie. Jordy Nelson Packers. And Peyton Manning Broncos. Guys, we just got screwed. This video is on here to where we could just show Panini this video. They just gave us 2 hits. Supposed to have 4. I'm going to figure something out tonight to do to make it up to you guys. I have to walk out the door like right this second. But you know me, I'm going to make this right. So you'll be hearing from me. Dante Moncrief, numbered to 299 for the Colts, was one of the hits. And Taj Boyd for the Jets, rookie patch auto, numbered to 99. 2 hits, promised 4. That is frustrating. Shorted us 2 hits. Let me go through all these packs. We got no accidental packs around. Well, I've got the video. I don't know if Panini will do something about it. But like I said, I'll get back to you guys here tonight. I got to run out the door now. So apologies for that box. We'll make it right, guys.